What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I have another room tour for you guys, and I know what you guys are thinking. I got like 3 more weeks left of school, but I don't know, it was just time for change. And I know that nobody else will probably do this because it'd be too much work since you gotta leave, but I just wanted to. So I guess I should have, like, I don't know, but if anybody's coming to the same school I'm going to, at least this gives you some options on how to decorate your room. I guess I really, after my roommate moved across the hall, I kind of like experimented a little, and I kind of like what I came up with. So this isn't going to be like an in-depth not tutorial. It's not going to be like an in-depth tour because y'all already seen everything I've had in my room. I haven't really got anything new, but I just rearranged some stuff. So let's start with the door. My keys, none of this has changed. I need to take out the trash, but yeah. So I'm gonna give y'all a quick overview. That's probably like the biggest thing. And then I have an actual like mirror spot. Now that y'all have seen like the overview, I'm gonna just do a quick little montage and then we'll get into why I decided to change my room. Okay guys, so let's start with the biggest elephant in the room, the bed. So I decided to put the 2 beds together because I don't know, but for the past 2 nights I've only been sleeping on my actual bed. I might start sleeping on this bed the rest, but that's the big change, was the bed. And I just wanted like an open floor plan, kinda. I don't know, I just like an open floor. And if y'all remember, the 2 beds were like parallel to each other, and I had like this spot open, but I kind of like this a little bit better. And this spot just feels like my work spot, because my desk and everything, it just looks good. Oh, since we're coming to my desk, look what I did earlier. That is so cute. I love it. Also, I changed the ring on my ring light to orange. I don't know. I got my hair stuff, this goes in here. Okay, I finally got it. So my chest, if you guys want like a detailed spot, well, if y'all want details to where I got everything, go check out my other 2 room tours. Like I said, I'm not gonna be saying that much, but yeah, I just love this. Like, I could just experiment. My hair looks good, you guys, right? So, ooh, this light is good. I was vlogging earlier, but I decided I didn't want to vlog. But yeah, I'm getting off the point from this video because I'm seeing that I've only filmed like 5 minutes. But yeah, this is my room. We're moving out soon. My mother says she's coming on this Wednesday to help get some of my stuff. This week is coming up, so a week from, well, a couple more days. I'll be taking a lot of stuff home, and then I'll probably leave on the 29th. Freshman year is over. I'm kind of happy and I'm kind of sad because like everybody is saying they're ready to go home, but all honesty, this semester feel like it went by really fast. I don't know, that's just how I'm feeling. I'm getting a little gut. I need to hit the gym. Y'all see like the gut? Do y'all see this? Like, this isn't cute. It's not cute at all. And like, I don't know, I feel like it looks good from the front, but from the side, I just not liking how it looks chubby. But yeah, I guess I don't really have that much to talk about in this video, so I'm gonna just end it here. If you guys like seeing how my room changed throughout my freshman year, make sure you give it a like. This video, by give it a like, that's what I mean. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you when I catch you.